Hello my viewers, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. I got these storage baskets which are made from woven plastic with a fully lined canvas interior. There is one large bin, one medium and two small bins. So there are some of the ideas and they are really helpful. How to decorate. Here are the dimensions of the baskets. Here are some other pictures how to use them in your closet. Something like these. So I'm gonna use two of these and share what I'm gonna do and how I'm gonna style them. So stay tuned. So I got inspired with these pictures because I needed these for my powder room and for the bathroom. So I'm gonna style them something like this. I really enjoyed making this video and showing you how I have used these storage baskets. So till next time, I hope you all take care of yourself. Don't forget to kindly subscribe, like and share my videos with your family and friends. Till next time, take good care. Goodbye.